During this tutorial, I'll give you a brief introduction into producing labels on Access. So, first of all, I'm going to use this data here, and then if I click on Create, and then have the Labels option here, and the labels. Now, in many of the exam questions, it normally asks you to produce the labels on one page with 2 across. So here we have number across 2. On this page, if you do need more, you can select, for example, there's 4 there or 3 there. You can also customize the size here if the question says you need to produce an exact size. That's normally not the case, just 2 across is normally what the questions are looking for. So when you've done that, click Next. This is just asking the font, the size, etc. Next. Now we need to decide what information we're going to have on the labels. I'm going to have a forename, so I'm going to send that across. Now what you need to remember here, you need to remember to click on the next line down before you send the next part of data across. Surname, click on the next line down. Address, next line down. Town, next line down. Postcode. Okay, so this is information that I want displayed on the label. And next. Now this is asking me if I want to sort the labels. I'm going to sort the labels by forename, so click on forename and send that across to sort by. And then next. And this is asking if I'd like to name a report. And then click finish. Okay, and this is a print preview for the labels, and it clearly shows the labels 2 side by side. There's plenty of labels there. Now the confusing thing is when we go out of the print preview, the labels only show on single. So for example, if I go report view, the labels are not side by side. But that's not how we print it, so don't be confused by that. Just going to go to design view. Often on the question it says to, for example, put your name at the top of each label and maybe your candidate number at the bottom of each label. If that is the case, then in the design view, if you click in the details here, I'm going to press Ctrl A on my keyboard to select all, and then just going to drag these down slightly. I'm now going to insert some text using the label option here, and put my name there, and move that up, and then candidate number here, candidate number. Okay, now if I go view, see the name, candidate number, and if I go to print preview, I can see my name, candidate number at the top and bottom of each label. If the question says that you need your name at the top of the page, then design view, here we have the page header, so if I was to put my name there, that will appear at the top of the page. I have to delete my name from this one. If I view print preview, my name here is at the top of the page and not at the top of each label. Okay, brief introduction to labels on Access. Now you try.